Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. I have another question for you. My question to you today is, are you suffering from decision fatigue? Barbara, you might be thinking, what the hell are you asking me? What is decision fatigue? Well, I'm very glad that you're asking. Decision fatigue comes when you are so tired, you're so exhausted, you've come to the end of your rope, you've tried everything, and you just cannot make a decision anymore. You cannot even decide what you want for dinner. You cannot decide what you want to wear in the morning. You cannot even decide if you're putting on makeup, yes or no. You cannot decide if you're going to call or ask for help. Basically, you are so tired, so done, so exhausted, so at the end of your abilities that even the smallest decision has become too much. Even the smallest decision you cannot make anymore. And this happens to all of us at one point or another in our lives, and it's definitely not something to be ashamed about. It just means that you've been asking too much of yourself and not giving too much back, or not enough back, in terms of energy and motivation and enjoyment and things that give you energy. You've just been draining energy, giving energy, leaking energy, making your energy just disappear, and then you come into a state that we call decision fatigue, where you cannot even decide what you're going to eat for dinner anymore. And I'm not talking about, I've been so busy today and just today I don't know what I'm going to have for dinner. I hope you understand that I'm talking about this happening for multiple days or even weeks in a row, where you just have to drag yourself out of bed in the morning and everything's just too much. The person that is experiencing this decision fatigue, you know what I'm talking about. You know that I'm talking to you. The people who do not resonate with this, perfect. You're not having decision fatigue then, and that's good. But the people that do recognize what I'm saying, I would love it if you would reach out to me and let me help you get out of this feeling, out of this decision fatigue. The link to book a free call with me is below this video if you're catching this on YouTube. And if you're catching this on any other medium or on YouTube, I would love it if you would share your thoughts, your comments, your insights, or your questions with me below this video. And please also go to YouTube, especially if you want to book the free call with me, and otherwise to just subscribe to my channel, because that will greatly help me improve my reach so that I can help even more people. For today, I wish you an amazing rest of your day, and I'll talk to you soon.